Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got you this look, and I have created this look with two lip options, one a bright a red lip and a nude lip. So if you want to know what are the new products I used to create this look and how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So to begin with, I'm priming my face with the Stay Quickie primer. So most of the products that I'm going to be showing you in this video are going to be affordable ones. And so a little thing about my skin is definitely not in a very good condition. As you can see, I have got so many heat boils. Over the weekend I went to Tiruchendur and Kanyakumari for my cousin's wedding, and I had this all not so good for me kind of foods. And pineapple, it is pineapple, the culprit is pineapple. I had so many pineapple, and I ended up getting so many heat boils. So please don't mind, I'm just kind of treating them right now. So next, once after priming, I'm using this orange corrector from NYBA again. So I'm just applying this on the problematic areas and blending this well first with my fingers, and then I'll be using my beauty sponge, which is damp, to remove away all the excess from my face. So next, I'm using this Illuminator from NYBA. So these are the new launches. Today I will be featuring some new launches from the brand. So yes, this one is a illuminating product, so you can apply this on the top of foundation or on the top of your skin before applying foundation. This gives like this natural glowy finish. If you are doing your makeup to achieve a dewy look, you can definitely use this. And here I am using the shade Bronze. And if you are extremely oily, don't go overboard with the product, just apply this on the areas where you actually want it to be. And this one is super pigmented. So once after that, for foundation, I'm using this thick concealer or foundation from NYBA range. So this one is in shade number 6. Usually I use 7, which is like a perfect shade for me. But right now, during this winter time, my skin is a bit brighter than it usually would be, so I'm using the lighter shade. And for concealer, I'm using the NYBA concealer. Recently they have launched some new concealers and shades, like good wide shade ranges. So I'm using the shade Coffee Pretzel, which is like a darker shade, not the last darker shade, a shade that is before to the last darker shade. So I'm applying this on the areas where I usually like to, and this one is a bit lighter for me. So the last darker shade is actually way too darker for me. It is kind of brownish, and the color was not too good, so I used this one to conceal and highlight my face. So once after that, I am going to use the illuminating products again. So as I have shown you earlier, the first one is the bronze one, and you also have this gold one, which is way too yellowy, but the illuminating thing is amazing in the product. If you are on the fair skin side, the gold would look amazing on you. So I'm mixing both the products and applying this on the high points of my cheekbones. And for setting this, I'm using the Amsterdam compact powder in shade number 5. Actually, this is not super pigmented, and I would definitely not recommend this if you are someone who is looking for a high coverage proper setting powder. So yes, once after that, I am using this eyebrow pencil from NYBA again. So this one is not extremely black. This is kind of grayish black, and I honestly like the amount of payoff that the product gives. And eyebrows, it actually gets filled in properly. So this one is again in their new launch. So this one is their colored Kajal or colored crayons. You can use this as eyeshadow or Kajal. They have this range of colors. Today I'm going to be showing you two colors, actually going to be using 2 colors. So this one is a gray color, and I'm just applying this all over my eyelid. No setting, no priming, nothing. The steps in today's look are going to be extremely simple. So I'm just applying this and taking off all the excess and blending away all the harsh lines as well. This tends to crease. So once again, I also applied white on the brow bone and center of my eyelid, and also on the tear duct area. So I was saying, like, this actually creases up in the lines of your eyelids. So make sure you don't go with a lot of product. Just be very just apply thin layers, and this has a good level of pigmentation. So for lining my upper lash line, I'm using the Stay Quickie eyeliner. So this one is like my all-time favorite. If you're looking for an intense black, matte, long-lasting, super long-lasting eyeliner, definitely do check out this. For Kajal, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Ultra Matte Ultimate Black. I don't know. I don't really know the name. So I'm using that to tightline my waterlines. And for mascara, I'm using the Lakme one. So next, I'm going to be showing you two lip options. So one is from NYB and the one is from Stay Quickie. The NYB one is the nude one. I'll be linking the shade names in the description box below. Please do check out. So this is one look if you're opting for like a mild, daytime kind of a look. You can definitely do this like a nude lip. And if you really want to, steal the show and want to be like a showstopper, you can definitely apply a bold lip color. And here for the outfit that I have, I preferred using red lip color, and this one is from Stay Quickie and from their Krishna Mehta range. So that's it. This one is a beautiful matte lip color and stays so long. So yes, that's it for today's look. This is really very simple, and if you want to add blush and contour and highlight more, you can definitely go ahead and apply. So I hope you all like the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.